Good morning, students. Today I am going to revise your second chapter, that is food, health and hygiene. In this chapter, first topic is food and its components. So, we all need food for the development and growth of our body. We need food to get energy and remain healthy. And these different kinds of food items which come from plants or animals, and these food items like cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, nut, milk, meat, egg, oil, ghee, butter, cheese, etc. These food items contain different types of nutrients. So, what is the meaning of the nutrients? Nutrients, it means nutrients are the substance that present in the food, and they help in growth and maintenance of life. And nutrients give us energy to our body for work and helps in the maintaining the good physical and mental health and protect us from many diseases. And however, all food do not contain the same nutrients. So now we will study about these nutrients. So first nutrients is carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are called energy giving food because they give us energy, quick energy. So they are called energy giving nutrients. And children who play a lot and people who do physical labor, so they need a lot of carbohydrates. And the rich sources of carbohydrates are cereals, pulses, potato, honey, corn and wheat. These are the rich sources of carbohydrates. Next nutrients is proteins. Proteins are called bodybuilding food because they make new cells and also repair our worn out cells. So they are called bodybuilding foods. And growing children and old people need more proteins. And milk milk is a good source of proteins because milk contains other nutrients like carbohydrates, fats and minerals. So we say that milk is a complete food. And the rich sources of proteins are pulses, soya beans, chicken, mutton, fish, egg, cheese. So these are the good sources of proteins. Next nutrients is fats. Fat is also give energy to your body, so it gives more energy than carbohydrates. And fat is also provides energy to your body, so fat also give structure to the cells, and fats can be stored in the body for further use. Intake of high fat result in a person become obese, and obese persons are prone to diseases like heart diseases when we become older. So we should avoid more fats. The various sources of fats are like vegetables oil, ghee, butter, cheese, cream and dry foods. These are the rich sources of fats. Next nutrients is vitamins. Vitamins are called the protecting food because they protect our body from diseases. So vitamins are called a protective food, and vitamins are required in small amount of your body. And the sources of the vitamins like green leaf vegetables and fruits, these are the rich sources of vitamins. Excess of any particular vitamins may lead to diseases. A little carelessness can devote the food of their nutrients, like overcooking or deep frying may destroy some of the most important nutrients. So vitamin may get washed away if the vegetables are washed after cutting them. So wash the vegetables first and then cut them. And some of the vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, etc. These are the types of the vitamins. Next nutrients is minerals. Minerals is also required in our diet in very small quantities, and they are help to strengthen our bones, and they are needed your body for proper growth. And the rich sources of minerals are green leaf vegetables, fruits, nuts, egg, salt, milk. These are the sources of the minerals. And the examples of minerals are iron, calcium, iodine and phosphorus. These are the examples of the minerals. And here sources of the minerals, here the table, and in this table one column is minerals and second column is functions and third column is sources. So first minerals is iron. And what is the function of the iron? The function of the iron is it helps in the formation of blood. And what is the sources of the iron? The sources of the iron are green leaf vegetables, spinach, beetroot and carrot. These are the sources of the minerals. And next minerals is iodine. And what is the function of the iodine? The function of the iodine is iodine helps to regulate growth and development. And what is the sources of the iodine? The sources of the iodines are seafoods, iodized salt and dairy products. These are the sources of the iodine. Next minerals is calcium. And what is the function of the calcium? The function of the calcium is calcium is important for healthy bones and teeth. And what are the sources of the calcium? So the sources of the calcium are milk, curd and almonds. These are the rich sources of the calcium. And other than carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals, our body also need water and roughage. So water is very important components our food. So we should drink plenty of water. Water is not a nutrient, but we cannot survive without water, because water is needed by our body for healthy growth. And in our body about 70% of water is composed in our body. So another function of water is water also regulates the body temperature. So water is a very good solvent for many minerals and vitamins. So we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. And next is roughage. So what is a roughage? Roughage is also not a nutrient, but it provides fibers. And roughage is the fibrous part of food which help your body to get rid of undigested food. It means जो भी फूड डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो पाता है उन फूड्स को ये क्या करता है, रिमूव करने में हेल्प करता है. So we said that roughage is the fibrous part of food which helps your body to get rid of undigested food. And the resource of roughage are like fruits, vegetables and carrot. So these are the resources of roughage. Next is balanced diet. Diet is the meal that a person eats every day. And what is the definition of the balanced diet? The definition of the balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrients in correct amount is called a balanced diet. And it balanced diet help us to healthy and fit. And different age groups need different types of foods, like growing children need more of bodybuilding foods like proteins, vitamins and minerals, and old people should eat light foods. So man or woman doing heavy physical work need more energy giving foods like carbohydrates and fats. So that's all for today. Keep revising.